Good morning, guys. So we are on our way to Sheffield, are we? We are off to get a little something.
A little baby something.
A little baby something? That gives it away.
A little clue.
So we're just on the train now. See? Like no one here because it's a Sunday. But oh, I like the sliding.
No coffee.
But there's no coffee because it's a Sunday, so you don't get it. So we're just both doing a bit of editing, and we've got about an hour left. It's a 3 hour train ride to get this
Little something.
And we can't wait to show you guys.
You vlogging it?
Yeah.
Hey Dad. That's lovely.
I love that.
Little puppy.
They're literally everywhere.
I didn't expect there to be so many of them.
No.
Love it though.
Look at the tiny little tails.
They're so gorgeous.
Yeah.
Come on, Daddy.
Oh my God, he's so cute.
Would you like to do a wee wee? He's so gorgeous.
He's so cute.
Ready?
Don't do a wee wee.
Look at that little body. Oh my god. Do wee wee. Benji's gonna like freak.
Do a wee wee.
Look how cute he is.
Hello, baby.
Hello. Hello, gorgeous boy. This is your new home. Oh my god, baby is so small. Good boy.
Yay!
Good boy.
He did a wee wee.
You did a wee wee. You're very good. Good boy.
Boo, go see the rest of your house. Come this way. Come on. Baby. Come on, this way.
Come in here. Follow you.
Come on, baby.
Hello.
Come on.
He's so tiny.
He's so small.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Come
little
in.
boy. Hello. Hello. Hello, my little boy. Hello. Okay, guys, so if you haven't noticed, we've got a new puppy.
This is Blue, guys. This is our new baby.
He's a tiny little teacup chihuahua. As you can tell, he's very small.
You are the sweetest thing.
Look how tiny he is. He's
Look
so
how small.
Pick him up in one hand.
Oh my god. Are you in your brother's bed? You in your big brother's bed? Uh-oh. So me and Blue have been waiting for his daddy and our other baby Benji to get back so they can meet officially. So I look horrible, but whatever. It's been a long day. So I'm gonna go hide him, and then Benji's gonna come in. Benji's gonna be all crazy because he hasn't seen me for a while. And then we're gonna bring out Blue, and then see. Hopefully, we're hoping everything goes to plan, and they love each other. Okay, we're going in the living room. Gonna meet your little brother right now. Are you ready? He's wagging his tail.
This is your brother.
Look how tiny he is compared to him.
This is your baby brother.
He's wagging his tail so much right now, look. Oh my god.
your baby brother.
It's your little baby brother, Benji.
It's your little brother.
That's your little brother just there.
Who's sad?
He wants to play. He just wants to play.
He wants to play, little man. It's a little puppy. You used to be that big.
That's how big you used to be, and then you grew heaps. He keeps hiding in the same spot.
Who's sad? Who is it? Who is it? It's a tiny little boy, isn't he? Hello, Blue. Hello.
Ah,
You've never seen a puppy that small before, have you? Hello.
After a couple of hours, we have actually got them to like love each other. It's like a small amount of love.
It'll grow.
It will grow. It's only been a couple of hours. What can you do? But we can have them next to each other. That's a camera. Yes.
Say goodnight, Benji.
Good night. See you
Night,
later, little
night,
brother. Night, night, little baby.
Sleepy time.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this week's vlog.
Mum Shayla's here.
Bye.
Benji there.
Benji.
Come here, baby.
What are you doing?
What are
little
you
man?
doing down there?
Come on. No,
It's not gonna come up. Make sure that you check out our YouTube of the week, which is Victor. Also on that page was
Weird
it
Norwegian.
the Weird Norwegian? Yes.
He's very cool.
That's his YouTube channel. And also on that same page we have one for the Being Me campaign. So we've got 2 videos on that channel. Oh my god, the baby fell. He's okay.
Thank you guys. Watch next week's video and we love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.